Hello students, did you enjoy the vacations? Now welcome to 3rd standard. Today will be your first class of value education. Have you visited the zoo? Which animals do you see in the zoo? Monkey, lion, elephant, tiger, deer, rabbit and many more animals. Now today we will learn about the story of a baby elephant. His name is Chubby. So, the name of our story is Chubby the Elephant. Now listen the story. Chubby was a baby elephant. He was 2 years old and was a darling of his parents. He was pampered very much by them. This had made Chubby a brat. Now see the meaning of the words. Pampered. Pampered means taken care of by someone with kindness. Brat. Brat means naughty. As you all are dearest to your parents, just like you, Chubby also dearest of his parents, and that's why he became a naughty baby elephant. Now next paragraph. Chubby used to trouble the other animals of the jungle for fun. He used to chase other small animals and they got trampled under his heavy feet. Now see the meaning of the word chase. Chase means to catch somebody. Trampled. Trampled means to crush or injure. Chubby used to catch other small animals of the jungle and they got injured under his heavy feet. You all know the elephant is a very big animal. So Chubby used to catch other small animals and they got injured or crushed under his heavy feet. Now next paragraph. The jungle was ruled by a lion and a lioness who were the king and the queen. A lion and a lioness were the king and the queen of the jungle. Now next paragraph. One day, come on cubs, today I will teach you how to hunt. Now what happened? One day, a lion said to cubs, come on, today I will teach you how to hunt. While they were learning, Chubby ran towards them in a mad rush. Thank God, we moved away at the right time. We escaped death, or else we would have been trampled. Now see the meaning. Mad rush. Mad rush means to make a sudden attack. When the cubs were learning, at the same time, Chubby ran towards them and he made a sudden attack. The cubs thanked to the god. They ran away at the right time, so they saved themselves from injury. The lion arranged a meeting with the jungle folks. Even Chubby's parents were invited. After that, the lion, who was the king of the jungle, arranged the meeting with the jungle folks. Chubby's parents were also present for the meeting. Chubby is going out of control. Animals are dying under his feet. This madness has to be stopped. A lesson must be taught to Chubby. Can anyone suggest a plan? The lion said, Chubby is troubling everyone. Animals are dying under his feet. We must have to teach a lesson to Chubby. Mahir, the monkey said, I have a plan. Kindly permit me to do it. Go on. All animals agreed. Now who is Mahir? The monkey. He was having a plan, and all animals were agreed with his plan. The next day, Mahir sat on a banyan tree. After some time, Chubby came there dancing, whistling, and singing. Hey, fatty, 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 where are you going with that fat body? You monkey, how dare you call me fat? Just wait till I get my hands over you. Now the monkey, Mahir, ready with his plan. He sat on a banyan tree. He was waiting for Chubby. After some time, Chubby came there. Mahir the monkey started teasing him. Hey fatty, fatty, where are you going with that body? After that, Chubby got angry on him and he said, how dare you call me fat? Just wait till I get my hands over you. He tried to reach the banyan tree. The moment Chubby's trunk reached, Mahir jumped off to a higher branch. This made Chubby very angry. In anger, he pulled the branch on which Mahir was sitting earlier. On that branch, there was a huge beehive which he did not notice. Now, what Chubby did? He catched the branch of the tree. At the same time, Mahir jumped off to a higher branch. The branch was pulled by the Chubby. The bees attacked Chubby and stung him all over. He could not bear the pain. He began to cry aloud and fell with a thud on the ground. The bees then went away. Stung. Stung means bite. Thud. Thud means a dull or heavy sound. Chubby did not notice a huge beehive on that branch. The bees attack on him and bite him all over. He could not bear the pain. He started crying loudly and fell with a thud on the ground. All the jungle folks arrived and helped him. Did you see, son, how it feels to be troubled? This is how the smaller animals feel when you trouble them. All animals arrived and helped him. Chubby, how it feels to be troubled. Like this, the smaller animals also feels when you trouble them. Now Chubby said, yes, yes, I understand now. I promise never to trouble anyone. Because of this, Chubby learned a lesson and he gave promise never to trouble anyone. Chubby truly became a changed person. Instead of trampling animals, he took them for a joyride. Thus, he became a darling of the entire jungle folk because of his good behavior. After that, Chubby changed his behavior and he took animals for a joyride. That's why he became the dearest of everyone. So, what is the moral of the story? One must not trouble others. So, students, what you learned from the story? You should not trouble or hurt anyone in any way. You should behave in a good manner so that no one will trouble you. Students, now you go through the story at home and solve the given questions. Students, this year you are having online exam for value education. So go through the videos again. Thank you.